What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you all this product by Allen rifle cartridge holder. It holds 9 rifle cartridges. I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to put it on and do a first-hand review of how it feels putting it on. So this thing is $5 at Walmart, and I'm sure you can get it on Amazon or anywhere else. First issue I have with it, I know it's going to be very tight, and the staples. So you got to remove the staples. That's always fun. So I'm putting this on the Savage 308. This is the Savage Access 308. Come on. They got these staples in there, that's for sure. Alright, now the staples are out, so it can fray it. There. Alright. So it doesn't come with any instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So it's like, for me, I might actually want to take my buttstock and everything off. I don't want to remove my scope, so it might be easier if I just remove everything else. Let's go ahead and remove the sling. I don't think I can get it on even with that removed. We'll see. Let's go ahead and, nope, I might have to remove my buttstock. So I have this little rubber cheapo factory buttstock. So go ahead and remove it real quick. Make this install a little bit easier. Just a Phillips head. I don't even know if y'all can see me. Okay, yeah, y'all can. One side. I had that side all the way out. Guess not. Alright, there's that. Let's see if we can get it on now. Put Allen at the bottom. It's a tight fit. I imagine with a wood grain it'd be a little bit easier. Let's reinstall this bad boy. I know people that work on guns right now are probably cringing that I'm not using some special high-dollar tool to work on my gun. Or I don't have it in a holder or a vise. I'm just doing it in my garage on a trash can with the flambeau, however you say this case that I reviewed. Alright, here we go. Let's slide this back down. And I already see a little bit of an issue. So, obviously you can spin it to wherever you want, but with this gun, my sling mount is a little bit in the way. It'll work, don't get me wrong. But it is going to be in the way just a tad bit. I could cut that. I don't really want to. So I'm going to put the sling back on. Alright. Grab some .308 ammo. This is some Winchester Super X put a couple rounds in there. Six. All right, let's see. Okay, these are gonna be in my way, so I can flip it to the other side and have them in there. So I can just take those out and spin it around. The Allen symbol will be upside down, but it's universal. It's the same size on both. So what I gotta do is take this, spin it over. There's that. And it does line up okay, but it is a little big. Of course, it's a universal, so it's not specific to any gun. You're gonna have that. Most people prefer a Sling mounted holder like this Allen Sling right here. So it's really personal preference what you want. I don't mind that, honestly. That's not that bad. So, what are my thoughts? It's cheap. It's worth it if you need extra ammo. I plan to, so the reason I'm doing some hunting and gun videos is because next year I plan to go on a hunting trip. And we were going to do it this year, but it's too late in the season and I have no vacation because of the baby being born. So figured I'd start early this year, testing stuff out, put some trail cams out that I'm going to have some videos on. That were relatively cheap trail cams. I figured I'd make some cheap trail cam videos for y'all, just to show quality and setup and issues or anything. And I'm going to literally watch this area that we're going to be hunting for the next year. And I might even pick up a bow and go early and go bow hunting instead. So be able to start a few weeks early bow hunting if I do that. But yeah, that's pretty much why I'm just making some videos to get ready for next year. Test these products out. It gives me a year to buy stuff. I'm able to use my Christmas money to buy Christmas money from my wife to buy these, like new sling, new case, things to make videos on for y'all, content. I also bought my rifle this year because the deal was great. This is a Savage Access 308. It comes in 30-06, 273, 243, 270, 22, and something else. But this gun was $329.99 with a scope at Academy. If you were to pick this gun up at Dick's, it's $359.99, and if you go to a gun store, which I did at first, it's $499 with no optic. So, there you go. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below to all the products in this video. But honestly, it's not bad. It's cheap. It's easy. And when I go hog hunt next year, so we're going to plan to do a summer hog hunt. Probably in Georgia. Might have an opportunity to do it down here in Florida. Just depends on landowners and if they're still wanting the hogs eliminated after hunting season. And if that's the case, we're going to do some hog hunting. This has a four round, one in the chamber capacity. So I'm going to get the bigger mag that they sell for it, and I'm also going to have extra ammo so we can hog hunt all night. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed.